feel so, each kilometer I feel much more comfortable in my tank 700. And well, we continue in this line. Now we are have a 6 more stage. Okay, we try to push every stage.
The whole journey today and the co-driver, the car, everything felt very smooth. The car really delivered. What I'm most pleased about is that our support team and our service crew have also been working so hard. Every morning when the car starts up, I feel like it's been given a sudden surge of energy. The car is back to 100%. It has no problems at all and drives incredibly smoothly. Thanks to GWM. Thanks to K-Man.
GWM. Go with more.